viewers, you are welcome to this college. What you're actually watching we're doing right now, we are in NYSC Camp, and we're actually running an exhibition of what we're going to be training corps members, the Nigeria youth, and on August. So right here we have them. Now, for you to say this, we want to teach them how to hash, and this is fish oil. We're going to teach them how to extract and process back the oil. We're going to teach them how to process finished product of fish, how to make soup, how to make barbecue, how to smoke and fry fish. Here's our banner, and the banner will have a lot of things. We have many things here that we're going to train them. So within the 2 weeks you're going to spend on camp, it's going to be very, very interesting. It's going to be interesting, very, very interesting. So we employ you to subscribe. For you to subscribe and follow us up. All we're going to do, we're going to try our best to upload them on our channel. This is Fish College, and we really want to serve you very, very well. This is part of what we're going to learn how to make corpsmember barbecue, smoker. This is our very much important. I will still encourage you, if you are here to get a book, try and get this material. This material is very much important. When you get it, all you just have to do is to follow us online. See, as written here, this is our YouTube channel, Fish College. When you subscribe, you get all the practicals you need to get updated here. So I want to say thank you for listening, thank you for watching us.
Program that has impacted lives, and I am a living testimony, as you can all see. Through this program I've been able to produce, and I've been able to learn, and I can now hash fish, I can produce fingerlings, and I can manage them to a marketable size. I can produce fish oil, I can make barbecue, I can smoke dry fish and market them. And also through this program, I can be able to make fish feed and poultry feed. This program will also bring a lot of opportunities whereby I don't need to sit down or take my certificates to any office and say, I'm looking for a work, I'm looking for a job, please employ me. With this program, I can sit down at my own pace and someone will just call me and say, please, I want to open up a fish farm. I don't know how to go about this. I need fish, I need fries. I can be able to stand up and say, yes, I can do it for you. I can produce your fish feed. I can manage your fish pond through Said program. And also I can be able to produce fish. We're not to say, okay, now the economy is high, I have a poultry farm, but I don't know how to produce the feed because everything is cost. Yes, through this Said program also, I'll be able to learn how to produce fish and poultry feed. Now, as I'm opening my fish farm today, I don't need to go to the market and say, please, I need feed for my fish. I'll be able to produce them and take care of my business. I was sitting here months back while this program was being offered, and what's going on in the mind of us all? How is this possible within a space of 2 to 3 weeks? Yes, it is very possible. It's all about your determination and your ability to learn and to grasp what you're being taught. With the space of those 3 weeks, I'll be able to learn all this, and I also want to thank our facilitators because they have been a very great help, and they taught us with all that they know, with their best and with loving minds. I also thank you for Mama Said. Thank you very much, Ma. I also urge you all to grab this opportunity. You won't regret it. You don't need to look for a job. Even as a serving corps member, someone will call you up for an opportunity and say, come please, I have this, you can do it for me. You will do it. You don't have to waiting on your...
Carry that one off. Can you observe any structural difference? Yes. Let me bring it closer. Can you observe any difference? Yes. This one have a break somewhere. Yes. Now this one look more like heterobrancos, but this is hybrid. Heterobrancos have this kind of breakage, but more obvious. Is that clear? Now if you look at the Hilarious body, the spots on the body is more clearer. You understand what I'm saying? This one look more plumpy. These are not finished growing. hear me? When they fix I got to plan Islamic nature, that is what make it feel. But that's why during hashing we normally use towel to handle it. We don't handle them like that because after the stress, not all of them. So look at the thing I'm talking about. These things are run straight. Have you seen it? Yes. Now let me explain some things to us very, very well. If you want to do the best business, the best fish for you to use is this one. This is the one. If you want to do the best business or barbecue, this one is the best business. But if you want to go into big smoking business, this is the best one. Do you hear me? If you try this one, besides you will say, you yourself you don't like to buy it what they are telling you to. Do you understand what I'm saying? Why? Because it's loaded with fat. It's loaded with what? Fat compared to various graphinos. Do you understand what I'm saying right now? But the advantage, one of the advantage of hybrid is that the fat you're going to get from this is plenty, so you can get more of fish oil. Exactly. Then very, very important. Why I'm explaining these things. See, there's a Corpsmember that served here. The guy came from UK, so he schooled here. And after service, he decided to set up a farm. So in that farm, he went and stocked hybrid, plenty hybrid. What his intention is to raise them, to train them for 3 years. Now he will sell some as blue and now use the other ones to hatch. So luckily for him, someone connect both of us together. He now asked me to come. Let me help him and select this stuff. When he brought out the fish, I told him all of them are hybrid, and we don't use hybrid for hatching. And the guy was almost getting crazy. Just imagine an investment you have done for like 3 years. Because for broodstock, a kilo for broodstock is 3,000. I get him clearly. So he has worked with a target. That guy has too bad experience. That's why I stress some of this. This experience now caused him to quit his family. This other one, and secondly, he now went and set up a very big farm with 1 kilo, a better place. It's around. I think it's around, down. So when I went to the farm, I asked him who is securing your farm. He said, one old man. Now, when you know you invest something like $1 million, employ good person when you know you are not there. You know that one day, I follow him because one day he used the camping step, went there, saw the snake inside the water, all of us were happy, counting money. But when it was time to happen, so when we went there, though we traveled out to come back, somebody called me, told me something about me, they don't move that guy. So we not tell him. When we reached there, the guy was asking me, Mr. Fish, you are a professional. This water that's nothing is dancing. What do you think would have happened to you? I said, maybe they arrest me. We keep pumping out water, so if you were down, he said, can you estimate what you're saying? So I said, I cannot really estimate. Let us bring all of them out. So when we brought them out, we stocked 6,000. What we harvested that day was not up to 200. I'm not lying, you know. Oh, wow. Now the whole expenses they made that day because he had the hit of charter boys to work. We went there together. The whole expenses made that day was not up to what he did. The next day, I'm not lying, but the next day, the guy arranged his property in his house. He bought some fish for him. Then we are 12. Goodbye. So what am I trying to say?